Keto King here, and today we are going to be making a Keto Egg Muffin. Now these Keto Egg Muffins could not be any easier to make, are so incredibly versatile, used to take into work, for lunches, or on-the-go snacks. Really, anytime you want something to eat, these Keto Egg Muffins are the way to go. Right, the ingredients you'll need for these Keto Egg Muffins are some spinach, some cauliflower rice, some eggs, and a meat of your choice. I'm using some low-carb sausage. Let's get right to it. Right, so you can start off by grabbing your meats of choice. Now, as I said, I'm using a low-carb sausage. You can use ham, you could use bacon, anything here would work. I'm giving this low-carb sausage a nice fry up in the pan, getting some good color on it. Now, while that low-carb sausage is frying up, I cut up some spinach here, used roughly 2 cups, cut it up finely into a texture looking like this. I used roughly 2 cups, but really anything more or less than that will be fine. Just do what looks right for you. And also you could use any other type of green, perhaps some kale or other type of greens would work here. Right, then grab yourself a big enough mixing bowl, and we're going to crack 6 eggs into here. Now this is making a large batch, so you can absolutely have this if you don't want to make as many, but as I mentioned earlier in the video, these are so versatile. You really do want to make a lot of these to help you in your keto journey. Give that a quick whisk. Next, we're going to be adding in 2 cups of cauliflower rice. Now, if you can find cauliflower rice from the stores like this, already pre-processed like this, absolutely do it, guys. It's a lifesaver. Really saves you a lot of time. If not, and you cannot find this, it's really not that hard. Grab yourself a head of cauliflower, cut it into small florets, pop it in a food processor until you get a rice-like texture. Stop then, whip that out, and you've got yourself cauliflower rice. So we'll be adding 2 cups of cauliflower rice. And now that my sausage is ready and looking amazing, I'm going to add this to the mixture. I used roughly 2 sausages here, cut into small pieces, and then spinach. Give that a stir to fully incorporate. And then you should end up with something looking like this. Now you can add any spices you want. I'm going to keep this simple. I'm going to add some pink Himalayan salt, and then some crushed black pepper. Give that one more stir, and your mixture is ready to go. Now would be a good time to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then grab yourself a muffin tray. I'm using a 12 muffin tray here. That's for this batch. If you have it, obviously you're going to be using a 6 muffin tray. You're then going to need to grease this muffin pan. I'm just using a non-stick olive oil spray here. Give it a good coating. Then you're going to evenly distribute your mixture into this muffin pan. I'm using a ladle of sorts to put it in there, but really anything will work. The only thing you really need to focus on here is just ensuring you get a decent and even mixture of all the ingredients in each muffin hole. Alright, and this is what they should end up looking like. Now we can pop these in the oven. And then pop these Keto Egg Muffins in your preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until cooked. And after 15 minutes, these look good to me. You don't want to do them too long, otherwise they will stick to the muffin pan. And simply just grab yourself some utensil, plastic utensil, and they really should just come out that easily. And after they're out of the muffin tin, you end up with some low carbs egg muffins like this. For the taste test, this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, the cauliflower rice is not detectable. Let's give it a taste. Yeah, wow guys, this is truly amazing. Really, as I said, you cannot detect the cauliflower rice in here. It's quite remarkable. I can't even see it looking at it closely. It's really a nice firm texture, firmer than it would be if it was just egg. The cauliflower rice also tames down the egg flavor of this egg muffin, so it's really a wonderful taste. Also, your work colleagues won't be hating you when you open one of these at work. These are just so convenient for any time on the go. If you need something quickly to eat at home, really, I couldn't be happier with these. I highly recommend you give these keto egg muffins a go. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed these keto egg muffins, please smash that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. Let me know in the comment section below how you found these keto egg muffins. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new awesome keto recipes I upload. And of course, keep it keto.